Now, let's say you have minus 3 times 6, but you want this to be negative and this one to be positive. So 3 times minus 6, same answer, same answer, minus 18. Now it's gonna like do the same thing, make a table, iterate, product, L, description, okay? And now you're gonna take this value, which is minus 6. So the binary value of minus 6 is 1010. If you want the positive value, so it's just gonna like 2's complemented, 0101 plus 1, 0 1 1 0. This is 6 and this is 3, so 3 is 0011. Now you're gonna use this value here. So step 0, iteration 0, product, use binary value 0, and you're gonna use the negative 6. So 1010, L equals 0. This is initialization. For step 1, you're gonna do 1. Okay, so yeah, it's 0 0. So you're gonna like do nothing. Now 1.00 from here, 0000, and you're just gonna not do anything. So for iteration 2, you're just gonna like shift the values to the right. So this thing comes down, 0 comes down, and it goes to the right. So 0 0 0 0 and 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. For step 2, it's 1.10. So 1.10, this thing's 10. 10 is subtraction. So you're just gonna do like the subtraction operation. So you just gonna like take the multiplicand. So if it's 3, you're gonna take minus 3. So minus 3 is 1101, and this thing's gonna be unchanged. So 0101 0, and you're just gonna like shift this. Iteration 2, shift these values, drop 1 here, 1101 1101 0101 0101. Also keep track of these, 1010 101 10. Okay, for step 3, it's 01, so 1.01. 01 is addition. You do addition here. So you're gonna add this value here, 0011, with these values. So 0011. So 0 plus 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, carry 1, 1, 1, 0, carry 1, 1, 1, 0. Here's gonna be a carry, but it doesn't matter in Boole's algorithm. Now, and this is gonna be unchanged. So 1 0 1 0 1, and shift the values. So shift the values. This thing comes down, 0001 0001 1010 1010. This is iteration 2. Keep track of this. Step 4, 1.10 1.10. 1.10 is subtraction here, and you're gonna like use the negative value of 3, which is 1101. So 1101, this thing will be unchanged, 1101 0, and shift this to the right. This thing comes down, 1 1101 1101 1101 1101. Okay, and this is iteration 2, and you're basically done. So this is minus 18. If you want to prove it, then just 2's complemented. So 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Yeah, and add 1. 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. So 1 0 0 1. This thing is 18. So If this is 18, this is minus 18. So that's your answer.